It's about that time for swag bag. I'm gonna open my swag bag. Welcome, thank you. I'm also going to tell you my favorite things that are in this swag bag right now. I love them a lot. Thrive has done it again. They've done it again with a semi-permanent micro pigment instant brow fix, and you guys got to pick your colors. I picked Audrey. And I just want to show you, like, you can just lightly put it in your brow and it's gonna give you a little bit more color. This kind of like makes it a nice warm color. I love that. It's amazing. It's a keeper for sure. Okay, so this is a buildable liquid shadow from Juice Beauty, okay? It's a liquid cream shadow that's buildable. Did I say that already? Maybe. It's plant derived and it's beautiful. I'm gonna show this to you. It's just so easy to use. It feels good. It's good for you. Hope you guys like them. I know I do. I love Juice Beauty. It's a great line. If you're into natural, check it out. So good. So much good stuff. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Okay, I love this brand. This is the Mighty Tighty from FarmHouse Fresh. It is a turmeric and banana mask. It feels tight and tingly with this antioxidant mask. Your skin is just gonna have a rebirth. I don't know how else to say it. Your skin's gonna look amazing. And you can just thank me in my DMs. Slide into my DMs and thank me once you've tried this. This was a winner. We got a bunch of FarmHouse Fresh stuff. All the girls tried it. We tried it. We loved it. It was major. Trying to just look overall better. You know about hyaluronic acid now and how it makes everything better, more hydrated, works on a cellular level, makes your skin better. It acts like a power pack to stimulate production of collagen. So why wouldn't you want that? So QMS delivered it. QMS Density Structure Night Serum, AKA used to be called Colectin 3, and we got it. We got it right here. You put this puppy on at night and you will start to see a difference in your skin. And if you are young, it's preventative. So why wouldn't you be so psyched about this? I mean, you probably are. I don't know why I got defensive. Sorry. Thank you, QMS, one of my new favorite brands of 2019 and 2020. I love that I found you, and now I'm obsessed with your whole line. So you might know Artis, this brand. These are their Phantom Cleansing Silks. You take them out, and they're a little ooey gooey, and you take the silk off, and then you put this silk on your skin. Sit for a minute. After a minute, you take a little water and scrub this, and this whole thing is gonna disintegrate into an exfoliant, and it's gonna take off all your makeup, and it's gonna exfoliate your skin. Look, it already started working, and it took off some of my foundation. Do you see that? You guys are so innovative and creative, and it's kind of scary how great you are. You guys are gonna love this, so check it out. It's amazing, and Artis, you are multidimensional now, so congrats on that. Lorac, why do you do this to me? Why do you create such amazing products that just make me so excited? Now we're talking about the Diamond Lip Gloss. So gorgeous, so amazing. I love it so much, and I love this applicator. It's really soft, and how pretty is the packaging? Can we just go on and on about this? It has finely milled diamond powder that makes it look super glittery and gorgeous. I love it. You just keep pumping out great products, and thank you for putting it in the swag bag. Everybody's looking for something a little fun, aren't we? So would you like two blush colored scrunchies in larger and smaller that can be worn on your wrist or your hand? I mean, I would. Kitsch, who makes all these cute hair accessories, collaborated with Justine Marjan, who I know because I've worked with her before. She does hair. She's amazing. How cute is this? It looks so cute on. So cute on. I mean, it's such a pretty color. Love it. Pale pink, honey. Justine, Kitsch, you killed it. We're so happy that we have it. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All the best products from my June swag bag. Don't worry, if you didn't get the swag bag, you can always purchase. A lot of the discounts are on my website, jamiemakeup.com. Follow me at Jamie Makeup Hotel and be part of my crew. Come to my university, learn how to do different looks on your eyes and your foundation and et cetera, or just book a one-on-one with me and we can get down and dirty with all the things that you want to know about makeup. Love you, mean it. It's been dope. It's been real, and I'll see you soon. Wink, wink. Bye.